Hey, what's up, guys and gals? Check it out. Here we go with a Transformers Universe quick review. I try to keep it a quick review anyway. If you're familiar with my videos, I do tend to ramble and drag things on quite a bit, like what I'm doing right now. So anyway, this is a Transformers Universe War of the Waves Special Value Pack. This was from last year. During the 25th anniversary, 1984 to 2009. These are both repaints, I believe, of Transformers Cybertron figures. Not too sure about this one. I am sure about this one because I remember I did have the original Cybertron version. So there you go. Once again, quick look at the front of the package. And there's a look at the back. I'm not gonna get detailed. That shit's really not all that important to me. And if it's that important to you, well, then look elsewhere. You know, I don't take this shit too seriously. I love them as toys, you know. Here is the little, I will read this for you real quick though. Storm Surge, wait, okay, yeah, Storm Surge isn't exactly king of the waves, but he's the guy Megatron, wait, you know what, I can't read it through the camera. Storm Surge isn't exactly king of the waves, but he's the guy Megatron left in charge, and he'll be arrested if any low-down Autobot that can't even swim is going to beat him. Air Raid has been sent to sink him, but it's all the Autobot flyer can do to dodge the frantic flood of firepower spewing at him from the surface of the sea. Not the most interesting write-up, and Megatron left this lame-ass guy in charge? Dude, yeah. I basically actually just got this for Air Raid. It doesn't show, there was another 2-pack, which I do have. What was his name? Hardtop, I believe. It was a Decepticon. It's like a little buggy, painted in the Sector 7 deco. So he's obviously in disguise. And then I basically got it for this because I love how it's, you know, in the Sector 7 deco. You know, a little spin-off from the movie. So I really don't care much at all about this loser right here. Looks okay in alt mode, and I just noticed there's actually Sector 7, I don't know if you can see that, Sector 7 on that guy too. So that one's in disguise, Decepticon trying to infiltrate Sector 7. But yeah, like I said, the hovercraft mode looks okay, but it's robot mode, that's looking pretty, I ain't even gonna say it. Air Raid, on the other hand, I like his look, minus the huge ass blaster attached to the nose. Robot mode, I really like it. So there you have it. I've already wasted nearly 5 minutes just talking about this shit. Let's pop these fuckers open. Alright, so here's Air Raid. Quick 360. I really like the mold. I like how it's got this like digit camo deco on it. Really cool. Even though it's got a, you know, the jet is like really futuristic. You know, it does, you know, have a modern military look to it because of the digit camo and stuff. So yeah, pretty cool. You can throw this stuff on here. How does this stuff go on? Let's see. So there you go. With this accessories attached, but yeah, like I mentioned earlier, I'm not digging that. So let's pull these off. Yep, so that's pretty much there is. it's a little, I kind of like this, the clicky joint right here. It doesn't allow the cockpit to sit completely straight in the center. It's either to, you know, leaning slightly to one side or the other. So that is one minor issue there. And it does feel kind of, I don't know what's the word, but like it's not very solid. Not like it's fragile, like it's gonna break, but all the moving parts just make it so it's like it doesn't really feel very solid in this alt mode. There you go. Let's move on to Storm Surge. Once again, like I said, it looks pretty cool in its alt mode, but let's see after I get transformed to robot mode, because based on the backing card, not too impressed. Here's a Cyber Planet key. As you saw, I folded these back, and these will activate those like so. Not the coolest gimmick in the world, and this thing is really stuck in there. So there you have it. I'm probably gonna sell or trade this off because I really don't care to have this in my collection. Alright, let me get these guys transformed. Alright, so here goes Air Raid in robot mode. I'm pretty happy. I like the design. It's simple. I mean, you know, it's basically like Scout class. I don't remember what class this was called back in Cybertron days. But now, you know, this is basically like a Scout class size. Very simple transformation. Yeah, you know, this is supposed to go on there, but let's see how it looks without it. Yeah, I kind of prefer it without this thing. Even though the Autobot symbol right there is kind of crooked, this thing does turn into like a staff of some sort. But I don't really care for it too much. I mean, I guess it's kind of cool. I'd rather use it. Let's pull this off. Use this thing as a big ass rifle or something. I like that better. So yeah, I do like, most of all I like, you know, the design and sculpt. You know, it's got that kind of classics style, you know, as opposed to the movie style. I really prefer that. And, you know, just overall, I like it. You know, I like the deco, I like the design, I like the look. With a robot mode, I really like the head sculpt. So there you have it for Air Raid. Now on to this stupid fucker. Yeah, I'm calling it a really stupid fucker. This dude is just lame. Fucking Storm Surge. Dude, you're all kinds of loser. Look at his arms. It's like, what's going on here? And the gun attaches to this thing all sideways and shit, you know. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna want to trade this out. I'll trade almost anything for this, you know. Bag of chips, something, anything. Anybody interested? Let me know. I really don't care for this. And here's a quick size comparison. So Storm Surge comes off like a little stubby short guy. Just all kinds of stupid looking. I'm being honest here. I'm not bashing them just to bash them. It's just, look at this thing. This thing is a mess. Yeah, so I don't want you. This, on the other hand, you know, it makes the pack all worthwhile. And I got the pack on clearance. I don't know if I ever showed it in a video or anything. I think I did though. Yeah, I got it on clearance. Not huge. I think the pack was only originally $10 anyway. I got it for $7. The other one I got with hardtop, I believe, the little buggy, the little Sector 7 buggy, and then it had I forgot what the Autobot car in there. It was blue car though. I got that one for $5, so that was a better deal. So there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed. I believe this is my first time doing a video review of a Transformer or Transformers. I've done photo reviews of a few now, but If I'm not mistaken, this is my first time doing straight up video review. So let me know if you guys liked it or not. If you'd like me to stop doing reviews, well, I'm not gonna stop anyway, so you know. But there you have it. This pack for me was all about air raid right here. I really like it, and I like its jet mode. Pretty cool. So can't wait to throw this guy with all my other ones and maybe use it someday in a stop motion or something. And as for you, dude, you are just pure junk. Nobody likes you. If any of you out there like him, let me know, because I do not. I repeat, do not. So there you have it. Once again, thanks for watching.